Namaskar friends, welcome to the channel Turning Point. I hope all of you are alright. Many of my viewers send me emails or ask in comment how to publish papers in good Scopus indexed and Science Citation indexed journals. Some of them are very helpless and send emails, ma'am, please help me to publish my paper, I am helpless. In today's video, I come up with 7 multidisciplinary journals. If you consider those journals for sending your paper, then they'll be published for sure. So don't worry, please go through these journals and get your work published. These journals belong to the stream of engineering, environmental sciences, and social sciences. Basically, they cover multidisciplinary research topics. So without any further delay, let's explore all these journals. But before that, for more such informative videos, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. The first journal that I would like to tell you is International Journal of Engineering Pedagogy. The International Journal of Engineering Pedagogy is an independent, peer-reviewed online journal. It serves as an international forum related to engineering education, published at present 4 times a year. Teachers, educators, and researchers, as well as school and institutions, are invited to discuss their research experiences, ideas, and perspectives in the field of engineering pedagogy at a worldwide level. Therefore, you can see that if you are from engineering stream, then you can consider this journal for sending your paper. This is Q2 journal. It is also indexed in Scopus as well as in Web of Science, and its impact factor is 1.6, as you can see from the screen. This is an open access journal and it may cost you certain fees when your paper is accepted for publication. Next journal I would like to tell you is International Journal of Engineering Education. It is an international journal managed by Faculty of Engineering in collaboration with Vocational School, University of Semarang, Central Java, Indonesia. IJEE is a scholarly, open access, peer-reviewed, interdisciplinary, 6-monthly and fully refereed journal focusing on theories, methods and applications in engineering education. All the articles in the journal are available freely with online full-text content and permanent World Wide Web link. Is directly become a cross-reference member since first year published in 19. Therefore, all articles published by IJEE journal will have a unique digital object identifier. This is also one of the significant journals. अगर आप engineering stream के हैं, then you can consider this journal for sending your paper. Next journal I would like to tell you is International Journal of Hindu Studies. If you belong to the stream of religious studies, then this journal may help you. This is International Journal of Hindu Studies. International Journal of Hindu Studies is a scholarly platform exploring all aspects of Hindu traditions. Embraces critical inquiry, hermeneutical, interpretive proposals, and historical investigations. Publishes double-blind peer-reviewed work on well-established topics in Hindu studies and encourages new perspectives. Fosters development in neglected areas and research with cross-disciplinary relevance. Contributions of a comparative or theoretical nature are welcomed. Adopts civilizational approach to Hindu studies beyond just religious perspective. Its impact factor is 0.3. 5-year impact factor is also 0.3. And submission to first decision is 6 days. And it takes very less time for telling about its first decision. So this journal is also an effective one if you consider it for religious studies. And it publishes in hybrid model. That means if you publish in open access model, then you need to pay publication charges, and if you want to publish in subscription based model, then you don't need to pay APC, that is article processing charges. Next journal I would like to tell you is International Journal of Human Rights in Health. This journal is published by Emerald and it also publishes in hybrid model. As I have already told you, there is no need to pay any APC, and in open access you need to pay certain amount of article processing charges. It is also renamed as Ethnicity and Inequalities in Health and Social Care. Next journal I would like to tell you is the International Journal of Interdisciplinary Civic and Political Studies. The International Journal of Interdisciplinary Civic and Political Studies explores the disciplinary perspective that shapes civic life and political processes, offering a holistic view of how societies govern, mobilize, and engage. Drawing on political science, sociology, law, economics, and cultural studies. The journal examines how different approaches informs questions of authority, representation, policy, and social justice. तो आप देख सकते हैं it covers lot of areas of art stream, that is social sciences, political science, sociology, law, economics, and cultural studies. So this is an interdisciplinary journal and you can consider it for sending your paper. Is a hybrid open access journal. We offer various pathways to make your research accessible and make acceptability. You can send your paper in open access mode as well as in subscription based mode. So this is also one of the significant journals in the area of civic and political studies, which considers various social science streams. Next journal I would like to tell you is International Journal of Language Studies, a quarterly journal of applied linguistics. These are the credentials of this journal. Its site score is 4.8 and 5-year impact factor. It doesn't have 5-year impact factor yet, but its other credentials are very good, and this journal is indexed in Scopus and other databases also. All the journals that I am telling you in this video, all are Scopus and Web of Science indexed. International Journal of Language Studies is the continuation of Iranian Journal of Language Studies. It is refereed international journal publishing articles and reports dealing with theoretical as well as practical issues focusing on language, communication, society, and culture. This journal operates a doubly masked peer review process. It publishes papers which report the findings of regional research on current trends on topics in applied linguistics. Special issues focused on applied linguistic topics may also be published. Contributions handling applied linguistic problems in a principled way by reference to the theoretical studies are engaged. So this is one of the significant journals if you are pursuing your study in the field of languages. Next journal I would like to tell you is International Relations. This journal is explicitly pluralist in outlook. Editorial policy favors variety in both subject matter and method at a time when so many academic journals are increasingly specialized in scope and sectarian in approach. Let's see the full description of the journal. Its impact factor is 1.5 and 5-year impact factor is 2.1. These are the metrics of the journal. Acceptance to publication, it takes 23 days, and although its impact factor is little low, but it is also one of the important journals in the area of international relations. It is explicitly pluralist in outlook. Editorial policy favors variety in both subject matter and method at a time when so many academic journals are increasingly specialized in scope. It covers law, economics, ethics, strategies, philosophy, culture, environment, and so on, in addition to more mainstream conceptual work and policy analysis. We believe that such pluralism is in great demand by the academic and policy communities and the interested public. Each volume will normally contain peer-reviewed research articles and a mixture of review essays, interviews, debates, and forums. Special issues will be published and we welcome ideas. And this is also one of the important journals. So friends, these were 7 journals that I have told you in the area of engineering, social sciences, and environment sciences. If you have any doubt or queries, then you can send me an email or you can also write in the comment box. And please like, share, and subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you friends.